Join my signal group and you will be rich. This is what the majority of the providers are telling you. Copy paste trading. It has never been so easy to make money with just your mobile phone. Copy paste the numbers, take the trade, boom, you will be very soon rich. Hello traders and welcome to a new video over here on my YouTube channel. My name is Darius and today we're going to clarify the question about signal channels. Are they even profitable? Can you take some knowledge out of them or should you just let your fingers from it? Well, to be honest, also me personally, I had a signal channel but I completely deleted. So I made something complete different. I'm currently running an inner circle mentoring program where I teach traders step by step how to be profitable. But in this video, I would like to not talk about that. I would like to just talk about the things about the Forex signals. Now, there are a few points which are important when it comes to Forex signals, and I will tell you right now where we can have problems and where we don't have actually problems. Now the first thing is you never know the strategy of the signal provider. Some of them are providing analysis, but the exact entry rules are not defined. So I've never seen such one which is completely sharing their whole analysis with the price action confirmation that they're waiting for. And this is what makes, for me, Forex signal channels very hard to believe, because you will like to know exactly how he's trading, because this is how you can follow him at the end. Okay, this is how you can do it at the end by your own, and this is what they don't you to know, right? So they're just trying to keep trading with the strategy, and this is for me a very big negative point. The next point is the trades. Now, if a Forex signal group will send 10 trades in the week and you will catch only 9 of them, you can't complain, because the problem is you need to take every single trade. Only then you can have the real result like they are claiming it. And it sounds actually pretty easy, right? Just copy paste. But the thing is, you can never actually get in the same entry like them. It is kind of, sometimes the market is just moving in seconds. Sometimes you're just eating, right? And the signal comes, you don't have your phone right now with you, you are working. So this kind of illusion that you can make profit while you're sleeping, while you're working, and while you're doing other things, that's actually a myth at the end. Only if you're really aware of your strategy that you're doing and you know exactly that you're already, for example, protected with a stop loss to break even, or you have your buy and sell limits and your strategies like that, how it should be at the end, okay, that you just set and forget. Sometimes you are monitoring to put your stop loss into profit so that you can take partials if the price will completely reverse, because at the end we never know where the market will move. So this is for me right now also a big negative point, that you actually can never get every single trade. It's not even possible. So if you are a full-time trader, yes, then you can use these Forex signal groups. But if you are a full-time trader, then probably you don't need Forex signals. The next thing is risk management, and this is kind of the most scammy thing, to be honest. We all know these channels with 10 take profit levels or 20, I don't know how many take profits they have currently, to still claim positive results at the end. Well, actually, this is super scam. So whenever you're joining a channel where you will be delivered 4 take profit level for your trade setup, then go run. You should run as fast as you can, to be honest, because this is super scam. Okay, how you can do it is to use one position, right, and that you're going to take partials in the middle of your take profit range. That's what you can do. But then you cannot claim that you've been trading this trade successful in this one, in this one, in this one, because this is how they do. So let me just give you right now a quick example on how they give you the illusion that they've been crazy in profit. So for example, GBP/USD, you need to buy it, right? And at a certain price. So let's just use, for example, where is GBP/USD? 1.3360. for example, then they use a stop loss. We would like to buy it, right? So what they do is always they're using a stop loss of 100 pips. So very realistic is something like that. They're always using way too much stop loss so that they never that they don't need to close it at the end. Then they put 1.3380, 20 pips. Then this is take profit 1, for example. Okay, so just after 20 pips, you have your take profit hit. Then a second one, yeah, it's okay, another 20 pips. The most common system is with 20, 50, 100 and something like that. That's what I experienced at my beginning of my trading career, to be honest, because I was searching for so many signal groups because I thought about trading is simple. I don't need to do it by my own. I just need to find somebody who knows it and I can copy everything what he's doing. But no, it's not like that. So this is how they're doing it. So they're claiming to you, okay, you're using your stop loss. So let me just show you that example just in relation. Because if you've watched my last video about risk management and risk reward, then you know exactly how scammy these systems are at the end. So if you didn't watch it and you don't know what risk reward and risk management is, please check out the last video. It's here in the corner. Click on it, watch it. Super important, guys. Watch this video. It will bring you completely further and you will understand so many things. Now, what we do is we will like to have a positive risk reward at least, okay? So we will like to have crazy things. Now, when you're using something like that, you will have a risk reward like this. So they are claiming that okay, they will never make losses. But when you will make a profit, you will make something like 0.2% or 0.1% at the end, something like that. And they're just increasing it like that, right? And when they're hitting 100 pips target, then they're aiming for, wow, we made so much money. But in reality, what they did is nothing, right? So look at this. You're more in negative if the position will hit it. So they just need a few stop losses and you will be so damn in negative. That's not even, we cannot even believe it, how big a negative you are. Okay, then they say, we're not doing this risk management, okay? They're not using these kind of risk rewards. They use a fixed lot for everything. Now, the problem with that is that when you will hit only one take profit, okay, they will say to you, after the price will hit the stop loss. So this is a scenario, sorry guys for the explanation right now. So the thing is, when you have a trade, or let's do it different. So you have a trade, right? Price is moving and you're entering here. This is your entry level, okay? Well, let's just use it anyways. So you have a trade. You're looking here to enter the trade. Then price is moving and it is hitting your first take profit level, but you still have your take profit 2 and take profit 3, which you would like to be hit, right? So let me just put here that example. So you have here multiply take profit levels, right? And you're letting them open, of course, right? Because this is how the plan is. This is why you put multiply take profits, because you're letting it open. And they do not tell you to close it after hitting the first one. Then the price is moving, hitting your stop loss. In reality, because of the risk reward, and in reality because of everything, you made loss. But they're still claiming that they have positive result due to you close it with 20 pips in profit. So that's not true. If they have luck, and yes, if they have luck, so it's really luck what I'm telling you right now. Price is moving and it's hitting the second take profit. So they are claiming right now that they made so damn profit that you cannot even imagine. In this case, 40 pips. We're killing the market, guys, 40 pips. Then price suddenly is moving down. Or right now, very important thing is another scenario. What the price is also doing is like that. Price moving like that, hitting stop loss, and then hitting your take profit. There are also signal providers who are claiming that this market headed the second take profit. So I experienced everything, guys, really. So I was in so many signal channels, and this is right now the reality. But the thing is right now really with the risk management is that in reality what you're doing is here you are risking more than you're doing. Because again, look at this example with 100 pips stop lose, 20 pips take profit. This is not how it works at the end. This is not how it works. You just need to take one loser and you will be completely negative. And because of you're using multiply take profit levels, you will not gain the full profit target with that one single trade, right? Because you're splitting your risk. So you should risk 1%, right? You're risking 1%. So if you're risking right now 1% on each position, okay? So let's say let me write it down. Where's my text? So if you're risking here 1% this position, 1% on this position, and on the 1-on-1 as well, 1% on this position, and the first position is hitting your take profit, it didn't make 1%, it made much more less than a percent. Okay? Then the other two will lose it because it will go straight to stop lose. Then you will be completely negative. So from every aspect on how you will deal here from a risk management perspective, you will always lose your money. It's not possible. You cannot make your money. Only if this signal provider will have 100% win rate. That's the only possibility that you will make money at the end, or that you're super leveraging it with wrong risk management and you have luck. But then with the next trade, you will lose. So I don't know not a single channel who's using this kind of system and they are profitable. Or if they are profitable, they're so small in profit at the end. Because with very good risk management, with exact rules, okay, we need to put stop loss to entry after the first take profit hit and stuff like that, you can be profit at the end if they are super good. But at the end is whenever you are going to make one win with the take profit one and you just have one loser, you will need to have 5 good trades in order to make it back. This is crazy, guys. This is not your approach. Your approach should be completely different. So if you would like to make money, then it should be different. So this is for me right now. When you have a channel with multiple take profit levels, it's absolutely scam. So probably 0.00000000001% will be profitable. So if you know that one channel, then I'm super curious, to be honest. Okay, if somebody is giving you then proper risk management, for example, one take profit level, okay, exactly instructions on how many risk you take, good. Problem is still what we discussed before. Then the second thing is the broker, which means is you will always have different prices, different platforms for analyzation. Therefore, it means that for somebody, they will trigger the stop loss, somebody will not trigger the stop loss, somebody will trigger their buy limit order or sell limit orders, and for somebody will trigger the take profit level or it will not trigger the take profit level. So you have here also problems because here you will be always in problem with that one. So everybody will have different prices. Probably they have a bad broker. Okay, this is not the problem from the Forex Signal Provider in this case, but it will just lead into not having the same results. And that's the last point is they are faking results. Why? Because even if they are doing it, it cannot be, so nobody can claim about it, okay? So the customers can complain about it, but yeah, who knows at the end, right? So it's also super scammy at the end, just with the results. Nothing is here. You cannot actually provide real results. The only thing how you can do it, and this is how I did it in the past, I was screen recording my whole signal channel, right? So I just scrolled down on my phone through the whole channel, and then I posted on an Instagram and I showed them that I really made so much profit within 3 months. But still I had the same problems like everybody else. Strategy, nobody knew exactly how I got my entries. Okay, I shared analysis, yes, but the thing is, if you know the strategy, then everybody can adapt. Okay, if stop loss hit, probably this POI will work, or we need to switch. Okay, and probably the Forex signal provider doesn't care anymore. Okay, we just lost that money. He doesn't care anyways because he gets the money, but you as a trader, you will not get it. Then again, the same trades. Okay, will you get the buy limit order? Yes, no. Are you here? Are you on work? Yeah, it's completely difficult at the end. Then risk management. Also, what I forgot to tell you here is that the majority will not even follow risk management at the end. Okay, this is also a problem from a trader perspective right now, not from a Forex signal perspective. So, for me, to be honest, you're just relying on somebody, right? So you're not taking it for yourself. So you're not doing the trading for yourself. You're just trying to make rich, to get very quick rich, because he scammed you through Instagram that you will get rich by using his signals. Then you had completely wrong expectations. You came into this business and you're just leveraging it. You're not following these rules at the end, if they're even real, right? Because if he's using multiply take profit levels, and you know exactly what you're doing here, you need to left. Okay, very fast you need to left. Okay, then broker. Okay, let's say this is not a big of a deal, but I'm just sharing it with you because I have so much experience with signals. I used so many of them. I had one personally, but then I understood one important thing, and that was this one. Because that's the solution from my point of view is you can give a man a fish and you feed him for 1 day, but teach a man how to fish and you can feed him for a lifetime. So this is a very important quote. So it really should be the way on how you should approach this Forex market at the end. So stop searching for the signal provider. Start searching for somebody who can teach you that stuff. Okay, it's not here a business where you can go for a school to learn this kind of thing. You need to get your knowledge by yourself. Okay, by looking on YouTube, watching other traders, getting mentored. Watching YouTube videos is kind of difficult, to be honest, because everybody can share something and you don't know if it really works. So it will just take you so much time because you will watch them. Okay, the one will tell you support resistance is the solution. The other one will tell you the indicators are the solution. Other one will tell you smart money concept is the solution. Other one will tell you patterns are the solution. So who are you going to trust? Because at the end, you will just need to spend several years, months, hours over hours behind the screen to really figure out if this strategy will work for you. If it is even working, that's the hardest thing. And I'm just telling you this whole thing from experience, because I came into this business because of a signal provider at the end. So I was scammed. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen results, and I just thought about, oh my gosh, that's it. That's my way in this world. I need to make money through analyzing the market and with my phone, just pressing some buttons, and I'm making money here. But then I understood by just analyzing everything, right, by searching for so many signal providers, because I've been searching. I paid so much cash because I thought about this is the signal group, but at the end I didn't found it. There wasn't a signal group that helped me to come here where I am. At the end, it was myself to put in the risk to understand this kind of thing. Okay, I paid money to get mentored. Of course, everybody did it, because how do you want to get the knowledge at the end? You always need to buy in. Okay, you always need to buy in, and that's at the end the thing that you can do. Okay, and I'm not telling you right now, come to me, come here to my circle. What I'm just giving you right now is search somebody who's fitting to you, who has the same result like you. Who's going the same way that you would like to go. Okay, if you say parents is my way of trading, then search for one who is good at it and try to learn from him. If you say, no, I like Elliott Wave, then go to Elliott Wave traders, ask them until you will find that one strategy based on Elliott Wave theory which will bring you in profit. That's it. Me personally, I'm trading smart money concepts because it is fitting exactly my personality. I like to risk a lot, okay? So I like to go for that 27R trade to make 27x with just one trade. That's what I like. This is why this strategy is for me. I would like to just flip my account so that I have the possibility to flip my account in just a few hours or minutes. And that's also what I like. I don't like to spend too much hours and days to stay in the same trade. I like to close it at the same day when I opened it. This is why I closed also my last 27R. Link here in the upside. Look that video as well if you would like to learn more about what I am trading actually. Well guys, that's it for this video. So a quick conclusion, yeah, so this here is definitely the solution. Of course you can try signal providers, but at the end they will not bring you much, so not even profit. Okay, probably it will work for 1 week, for 1 month, you will have this experience where it will work, but at the end you just need to do it by yourself. Very simply, that's the code for it, that's the solution. Thank you for attention guys, please leave a like, see you next time, bye bye.